What I'm going to do is I'm going to try it via a USB-C on-the-go cable straight into the Nintendo Switch, see if that makes a difference. Right, okay, so it is trying to read it, but nothing's coming up on the screen. So obviously, you can't play Blu-ray discs on a DVD drive attached to the Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching. Not working, so let me try it via a USB-C on-the-go cable straight into the Nintendo Switch, see if that makes any difference.
You're wrong, but please. I know
So again, it's trying to read it. There's nothing coming up on the screen. So obviously you can't play a 4K Ultra HD disc on a DVD drive which is attached to the Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching.